Okay guys, so we are down to the Europe collection of Mini Zs, and like I mentioned in my last video, these are officially rare guys. So these aren't ones that just become rare because they're hard to find, but these are ones that they made a limited amount from the factory. So some of these will be 1 in 1,000, 1 in 1,500, 1 in 2,000. So yeah, okay, so let's get the first one out and let's see what this is. I need to take it out of the case, I think. So this is the Audi R8 LMS polished aluminium, and I mean, you know what, I like R8s anyway guys, and I've got quite a few R8 shells. I'll actually show you some of them, but this is 1 in 1,000. I need to take it out of the case because you need to see this beauty. I shall show you in the case. I'll show you in the case and I'll take it out. Wow. It'll be on the display stand guys, but yep, it's got that aluminium kind of effect. That's bright, man. I mean, I like chrome, but that's got this brushed kind of aluminium effect, which is even brighter. Amazing. Polished aluminium. Or do you guys in America call it aluminum? Aluminum. We call it aluminium. Okay. That is nice, man. That is a proper little beauty. The R8 is a killer. It's a killer shape anyway, guys. It's beautiful anyway. But I was not going to take this out of the shell actually, guys. It was going to stay in there. That was like an investment, but I think we need to see this on the actual display stand to do it full justice. And as I said, this is part of the 50th anniversary version that they revealed, and they released this as a limited edition, and there's only 1,100 in the entire world. Cool, eh? 1,100 of them bad boys that were ever made. So yep, and I was really fortunate to get hold of one. So loving that. Okay, put you here where you can't see you. No, let's put something underneath you so we can see you. Okay, there we go. Right, and the next one. Okay, I don't think I've ever showed this one before. It was in its case. I've taken it out. And again, this is an Audi R8. This is the LMS. This is the white version. I showed you the black one. I don't think I showed you the white one that I've got. No, I didn't. I don't think I've put this in a video so far. And a real beauty. And the other one that I had, which is like all decaled out, which is, I don't know if it's a touring car or it's a rally car, I'm not sure, but that one I'll put it on here, and that's become rare now. Don't know why, but that's kind of become rare. So let's have a wee look at that one as well. Come on, man, you're going. It's made for you. That is so weird. It's not actually going into the actual R8 mount, even though it's made for this car. That is so daft. Anyhow, you know me, I'm still a little bit. Right. A little bit odd, but anyhow. But yeah, I don't know if that was a touring car or a rally car, I don't know. But that has actually become rare. And I got that as a brushless version, so. And you've seen the black R8 that I've got as well, guys. So, nice. Okay. Get them on the stand, have a wee look at them, and let's move on, guys. Let's see what we've got next. Okay, guys, so here we've got the R8, and this is the polished aluminum if you're American, or aluminium if you're in England. And this is the rarest Mini Z I've got. So this is 1 in 1,000. And that is the rarest, because some of the other ones are 1 in 1,500, which is my favourite, the Cayenne HSV, and then we've obviously got the ones that are 1 in 2,000, 1 in 1,500, 1 in 1,200, but yeah, this is most definitely the rarest Mini Z I've got. And I liked chrome anyway, guys. I thought chrome looked so cool in Mini Zs, but this polished aluminium just outshines chrome. Totally crazy. Totally amazing, guys. Looks surreal, man. So I don't know if the camera's doing it justice. It's not the brightest day on the planet, but that definitely is a showstopper. Very nice. And I've always liked the R8s anyway. The shape of the R8 is probably one of my favourite sport cars anyway. And I know guys who own R8s and they said that the handling is probably the best of any car. So yep, so I've got that one. I've got the, I don't know, should I shove them all on? I'll just stick them on, shall I or not? I can't remember. But I've got the other version, which is the white LMS one. I've also got the one which is like a touring car, which is the Bilstein one. So maybe I'll stick them all on at some point. Have a little bit of a look at them. But yeah, but these are the ones that are officially rare. And if you haven't seen my race vid, guys, I've got the Audi R8 versus the McLaren. That's kind of like that's the second race vid that I've done. So it's like in like a Lego world, but Mini Z's racing about. And I'm planning to do much better ones. I've got loads more props now, make them more realistic. So just getting on to doing it and finding a bit of space in the house. So soon I would never have taken this out of the case, guys, ever. I was unscrewing at the kid, oh my god, I was never take this out. But it's cool, guys. Get to see it, man. See it in its real effect. It's gonna go back in the box and it's gonna get stored away. So these are probably what use. I'd be tempted to use the Kaihin one though. That is probably my favourite Mini Z. I'd be tempted to use that in a video. But this, I've got so many R8s, probably won't use this one. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, I remember when this came out, I liked the Audi R8 anyway, but the LMS version, guys, it's got what I like. It looks blown out. It's got the ducts and air vents and fenders, jacked up spoiler, intricate paintwork, and the diffuser at the back is what I liked. So when I saw this, it wasn't available in the UK, and it was China. It was selling in China that had it, and I was like, oh, I need to get that. And it just seemed like you couldn't get a hold of them. And then I think I got it from abroad. I think I got it from Hong Kong. But when the black and red one came out, well, that just eclipsed this one. And I totally forgot about this one. I was like, no, that black and red one looks crazy. I know they brought out another one that's black, gunmetal kind of, and silver. But the black and red one just looks totally mean. Sorry guys, the rain's still coming down. So yep. But this still is a decent body shell. And as I said, guys, I've got a few R8 body shells, which are pretty cool. And what I'll do is I'll show you another one of them, which has started to become rare now as well, which wasn't rare in the beginning, and I got it as a part of a brushless drift car. So I haven't used it much, but I mean, that obviously looks just mean. That looks, it's built to race, it's low down, it's got a real aggressive presence to it. Cool. But I'll show you the one I've got. Okay guys, so this is the Bilstein one. Not as low to the ground, not as aggressive with the air ducts and fenders, diffusers, but now I'm not sure, is it a touring car, a rally car? I'm not really that sure. But nonetheless, it's become rare now. and some sellers are selling that for quite a whack. But pretty cool colour scheme, decent looking R8, and I love the spoiler, man. And if you notice the spoiler on the other R8, it's funky. It actually has the mounts on top of the spoiler, not underneath it. Crazy. So I mean, that's not new, guys. I just thought I'd show you, as I'm just showing my R8, so I'll just show you that one. Okay, let's move on.